Hi everybody, it's the Cake Bakery. Today I'm going to show you how to make some easy Minnie Mouse cupcakes. Come on in, let's get started. You will need your liners to be red and white, black, or whatever your color liner preference is. You will need frosting, your cupcakes, mini Oreo cookies. You need just a small amount of fondant, or you can use red chocolate, a small brush, something to make your bowl with some kind of mold, or you can make it on your own. And of course, you want to make sure you have your light food color. What we're going to do first is make some red fondant, and we're just going to press it into our bowl now. Again, you don't need a lot of fondant depending on how many cupcakes you are making. And you're just going to go ahead and press it again just like this, guys. This is making your bowl into a bowl. Press that in like that. Just like this, and then just top them out. And here you have your actual bowl. Next, you're just going to take just a little bit of white food coloring, and as you can see, I'm using the end of the brush instead of the actual brush part. And all you're going to do is put just a little dot of the food coloring on your red bowl, just like this here. You're just making little polka dots on the actual bowl. Make sure you shake it off, but you don't want a lot of the food coloring on your bowl. Just like this, guys. Next, just take a cupcake and you're just going to go on ground sugar just like this. I hope you guys have enjoyed making these simple Minnie Mouse cupcakes. Please subscribe to my channel, tell your friends and family about me, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.